going on, guys? It's Mo here with Auto Addict, back here with another YouTube video. I have right behind me the one and only Harps _ ZL1 2018 Chevy Camaro ZL1 1Le. We just got this car in the other day. We're gonna do a little minor upgrades to it. Of course, we're gonna add some carbon. One of the things that he's gonna be doing to his 1Le OEM bumper is the Canards. So the Canards that I have is with me right here. It's gonna be full-on carbon from top to bottom, and then after that we're going to remove the OEM one and go ahead and replace it with the aftermarket carbon Canards. So we're very excited for this opportunity to be working with Harps _ ZL1. It's an amazing build, extremely loud, a lot of power behind this thing. It's got a lot of carbon already that we're going to show you guys and highlight. And let's go ahead and start off by taking off the bumper, removing everything, the Canards, and putting on these amazing carbon Canards for the original ZL1 1Le bumper. I'll see you guys when the bumper is off. Alright guys, as you see, both Canards from the OEM ZL1 1Le is fully removed. The best way to do this is by removing the bumper the right way. If you guys try to cheat it without it, most likely we'll be breaking these. So we definitely recommend, if you guys are getting these products, it will be posted on our website very soon, to take off the complete bumper just for better installation when you take off the Canards and when you install the aftermarket ones. Alright guys, so we're gonna go ahead and get to the carbon parts and show you guys the final finish on the bumper. Let's get to it. Alright guys, so I have right over here with me, I got the left and right side, the full-on carbon Canards that will fit only the ZL1 1Le bumper right now. We are doing testing on our ZL1 aftermarket for the LT, RS, SS ZL1 1Le bumper. So if this goes well, we'll definitely announce it and let you guys know, but we will be doing some testing first before we approve fitment wise. So right now, as of right now, this will only fit the ZL1 1Le bumper. Let's go ahead and get on this bumper and show you guys the final results.